Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're not working on the WRX today. We are going to work on my 2023 Honda Rebel 300.
That's right. Today we are going to be installing a Coffman's exhaust on our Honda Rebel over here. So let's go over to the bench and I'll show you what we got today. Over here we have our Coffman's exhaust. This is for the 300, so it does have the baffle pre-installed and it does come with a new clamp. But before we get this installed, we're going to get the bike started up. We'll get a cold start and then we'll do a quick flyby and then we'll get this installed pretty quickly. It looks like it's only like one bolt and then our clamp. So let's go back outside and get this cold start in. Let's go. Alright, with the flybys done, we are now going to take off the stock muffler. Should be pretty simple on this. We have a 12 mil back here, and then we have a 12 mil right here. And then this should wiggle right off. New one should slide right on. So let's get to that. Let's go. Alright, so we got both of the connections off, one right there and the bottom clamp there. Now we're going to wiggle the exhaust off. Yep, keep wiggling. You can rotate it. There you go, perfect. Yep. Go. All right, set it down next to the Coffmans and you see direct comparison. So yeah, this one's definitely going to be much louder, much more flow. Let's get it. So it should be reverse. So before we get that slipped on, we do need to check a few things. We want to make sure that the gasket came out. Usually it gets stuck inside the pipe, but let's check that. And on this you can see the gasket is still there on the inside of the pipe, so that is good. So first you want to slide this on and make sure it's in an orientation that's easy to get to. So let's flip it just like that. Yep, and just slide it all the way down. Yep. Yep, slide that in and that's going to go on the inside connection. Go. So first step, we're going to, let's get this thing put on just so we have it aligned right, and we'll get that bottom one tightened up. For the last clamp on the bottom, it is changed to a 13, so we're going to tighten that up. Alright, so we have the Coffman Thunder Exhaust completely installed. Here's our first start. Here she comes. Let's see how hyped she is. Let's see how she thinks it sounds. All right, first impressions after your first drive. How's she sound?
She sounds great, and I feel like everyone's gonna hear me coming now, that's for sure.
That is for sure.
Bassy.
Super bassy.
Just
Sounds
what I was
really
looking for.
good. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Be sure to subscribe if you want some more Rebel content. We have more to come. See ya.